challenge of the modern era of science and technology is non-communicable diseases. Bronchial asthma started soaring high in Bangalore. My dear brothers and sisters, when we started our work in Bangalore, we found that large number of people have started suffering from bronchial asthma. And we said, yes, we have to bring in the yoga dimension to solve this problem. And we developed an integrated approach of yoga therapy and started conducting yoga programs, and thereby people started getting the benefits. Day after day, they started improving. And what is at the base of this success story that we had for thousands of people of asthma? So far we have dealt with nearly 250,000 cases of bronchial asthma, from small children, childhood asthma, to the most elderly, emphysematic conditions. And we have been able to show wonderful results of this thing. What is it in this? Normally people think, I have got my asthma because of the pollution outside. Therefore many people thought that yes, we have to eradicate pollution in Bangalore, and Parthenium weeds are the root cause for asthma, and therefore we are going to get. But our Dr. Nagaratna, our medical director, gave a beautiful lecture in the beginning. She says, okay, if pollution, if the Parthenium weeds in Bangalore is responsible for asthma, how many people in Bangalore get asthma? Only 4.5%. What happens to the remaining 95.5% people? Why they don't get? What does the medical world tell us? It tells that the bronchial asthmatics have got a basic defect in their system. And what is the defect? In the technical terms, it's called non-specific bronchial hyperreactivity. Your bronchus has become oversensitive. A small pollution, a small Parthenium weed causes the wheezing. And therefore, what you have to do? You have to reduce the hypersensitivity of the bronchus. And that is the core essence that yoga does. Compared to taking medicines from outside, it will give you bronchodilation temporarily. While you learn this technique, it can work. So using this, large number of people have been benefited. People who are taking even large number of medicines, they have been able to completely stop and become wonderfully well. And all these things have been put into the form of a beautiful research paper which got publication in the British Medical Journal 1985-86. And this was the biggest challenge, because people at large would never accept that yoga can be effective for bronchial asthma. Therefore, the British Medical Journal in the beginning, they rejected our paper. Then our professor said, no, why are you rejecting? What is the defect in that? Please let us know. Is the design wrong? Is the paper Dr. Nagaratna, MRCP, is she wrong? And whether the results are wrong, what? And they sent it to the reviews. And 3 reviewers sent large number of questions, 40 questions, and we wrote 180 pages to answer them. Then came down to 20 questions. We wrote 80. Then they brought out 5 questions, about 20. The whole process took 1.5 years. And then it was published. And the impact of that was so large. All over the world, people started talking, yes, yoga for bronchial asthma is useful. Then they started asking, can you come and teach us? Can we come and learn there? Can we have collaborative research? The best of the experts in National Jewish Medical Center, which is the key and the #1 in bronchial asthma, they said, okay, Dr. Nagaratna, please come and give a talk, and we can have the collaborative research. We went global in one single research. That is the beauty of scientific research published in the best journals. And then we started working on this thing, it's a long-term follow-up. We have been able to show how yoga can bring about complete normalization of the bronchial asthma. And this is how we started working with various non-communicable diseases and bring about the necessary result. Therefore, yoga offers a very effective technique. Only you have to tailor-made the specific techniques and see that it comes out in the whole dimension. That's what we had to do. That's what we have been doing here in our university. I wish you all the best.